Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The iPhone 17 Pro is on the horizon and it's bringing a wave of innovations that could redefine your smartphone experience. From a stunning new design to powerhouse performance upgrades, this isn't just an update, it's a revolution. Stay tuned as we unveil the 13 groundbreaking features that make the iPhone 17 Pro a must-have. First up, the design. Say goodbye to titanium. The iPhone 17 Pro introduces a sleek aluminum frame paired with a park glass back, offering a fresh aesthetic and improved durability. And check out that new rectangular camera bump with rounded corners. It's not just stylish, it's functional. Introducing Sky Blue, a vibrant hue inspired by the latest MacBook Air. It's brighter and more refined than the beloved Sierra Blue, making your device stand out in any crowd. The display gets a significant upgrade with a new anti-reflective coating, enhancing scratch resistance and visibility. Whether you're under the sun or in dim light, your screen remains crystal clear. Under the hood, the A19 Pro Chip, built on TSMC's advanced 3nm process, delivers faster performance and improved energy efficiency. Coupled with 12GB of RAM, multitasking and running intensive apps become smoother than ever. Worried about overheating? The iPhone 17 Pro features a vapor chamber cooling system, ensuring optimal performance even during heavy usage. Photography enthusiasts rejoice. The iPhone 17 Pro boasts a triple 48MP camera setup, including a new telephoto lens. Plus, the front-facing camera jumps to 24mm, capturing selfies with unprecedented clarity. Thanks to a slightly thicker design, the iPhone 17 Pro houses a larger battery, extending your usage time. And with the new battery adhesive technology, replacements are more straightforward than ever. Stay connected with the latest Apple-designed Wi-Fi 7 chip and Qualcomm 5G modem, ensuring faster and more reliable internet speeds wherever you go. From its sleek design to powerhouse features, the iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be Apple's most impressive release yet. Are you ready to make the leap? Got questions or thoughts about the iPhone 17 Pro? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. That is it, guys. If you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.